Hey guys, I'm here today with one of my beehives, and currently I've just put a super on the top, and it's the beginning of spring, so it's going to get quite heavy, and currently it's on an old metal table that we found to put there temporarily. So I'm going to do something a little bit more permanent today, and I'm going to build a beehive stand that can support the weight of one or two beehives. Each beehive can get to about 100 kilos, 50 kilos per box. Two of them will be about 200 kilos. So I've bought some sleepers from Bunnings, and I'm going to build a stand and not getting stung by these bees. I bought some sleepers. I'm going to cut some legs, make it the same height as the table, 75 centimeters, and let's go.